ever stumbled upon a tool so clever you wondered how you ever lived without it? In this video, we're diving into 10 genius tools on Amazon that are designed to make your life easier, whether you're working at home, fixing up the garage, or just love discovering time-saving tools. These aren't just cool, they're practical, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Number 7 is so simple, but so brilliant, you'll want it immediately. Let's dive in. When tackling home improvement or DIY projects, you often face the challenge of making precise clean cuts in a variety of materials like wood, metal, tile, and masonry. The Dremel Cordless Compact Multi-Saw is a versatile powerhouse for any DIY project. With a robust 20-volt motor, it cuts through wood, metal, tile, PVC, and even masonry with ease. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, while the lightweight build ensures maximum maneuverability. The innovative 3/4-inch adjustable depth guide allows for precise plunge cuts, and the straight edge guide makes straight cuts flawless every time. The premium abrasive blade technology ensures cleaner edges, reducing rough cuts. This tool also features a second wheel position for grinding and surface prep, expanding its versatility even more. Backed by an extensive accessory lineup, the Dremel Compact Saw truly lets you cut like a pro, making it a must-have for any tool enthusiast. When working on landscaping, construction, or fencing projects, digging consistent and precise holes quickly is a common challenge. The Makita Auger solves this by delivering the power and efficiency needed to drill wide and deep holes with ease, making tough soil and large jobs manageable without the noise and maintenance of gas-powered equipment. The Makita Auger delivers the power of a 36cc gas auger in a cordless, eco-friendly design. Its automatic speed change ensures perfect speed and torque adjustments for every job. With a maximum drill capacity of 8 inches wide and 41 inches deep, it includes 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch auger bits to suit any digging task. Ideal for post holes, planting, and construction, it's a low-noise, low-maintenance solution for professionals. The reverse switch clears stuck bits, while the rugged build and advanced brushless motor make it reliable and tough in demanding conditions. When working on woodworking, cabinetry, or detailed DIY projects, achieving clean, curved, and controlled cuts is often a major challenge, especially in thick or dense materials. A reliable jigsaw becomes essential for making intricate scrolls, plunge cuts, or angled lines where circular saws fall short. The Bosch Brushless Top Handle Jigsaw is a powerhouse optimized for curve cuts and precision work. With its brushless motor delivering up to 3,300 SPM, it offers reliable performance even in dense materials. The 4-stage Orbital action provides excellent cutting versatility and control, ideal for detailed or aggressive cuts. A variable speed dial lets users fine-tune speed for different applications, while the tool-free blade change system ensures quick and hassle-free swaps. Designed with user efficiency and accuracy in mind, this 18-volt jigsaw is perfect for both professionals and serious DIYers looking for clean, controlled, and consistent results. When dealing with rusted, stuck, or over-torqued screws, especially in automotive or heavy-duty repair, ordinary screwdrivers often fail. That's where an impact screwdriver becomes essential. The Wokin Impact Screwdriver Set is a tough and reliable solution, crafted from heat-treated CRV material for extra strength. It features a manual impact screwdriver with left and right rotation, activated by a simple press and turn action. The set includes a bit adapter and 13 pieces of 35mm S2 bits, offering excellent durability and grip. Ideal for mechanics and technicians, this tool ensures secure fastening or removal where power tools can't always reach. Keeping your yard clean and free of debris can be time-consuming, but the Makita vacuum mulcher makes the task faster and more efficient. Designed for powerful performance, its brushless motor delivers up to 143 miles per hour of airspeed and up to 215 CFM of suction, along with 13-inch of water lift for strong vacuuming. The electronically controlled motor optimizes battery use, extending runtime by up to 50% longer per charge compared to non-brushless tools. Plus, Makita's motors run cooler and last longer, ensuring consistent performance. This tool is part of Makita's expanding 18-volt LXT lithium-ion system, known for fast charging and industry-leading battery life. Whether you're blowing, vacuuming, or mulching, this cordless vacuum mulcher offers the versatility and power needed for both residential and professional landscaping tasks. The SILIGUN compact caulking gun is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline sealing or adhesive work. At just 4 inches long, it's the most compact and lightweight caulking gun on the market, perfect for tight spaces and awkward angles. Despite its small size, it delivers a powerful 12-to-1 thrust ratio for consistent material flow and features a dripless mechanism that stops dispensing immediately when the trigger is released. No mess, no waste. The tube can be shortened during use for extra portability, and it easily fits in any toolbox. A built-in puncture pin clears clogs quickly. Ideal for both DIYers and professionals, the SILIGUN caulking gun redefines convenience without sacrificing performance. It's not just smaller, it's smarter. When working on woodworking projects, especially those involving detailed edge shaping, groove cutting, or intricate joinery, precision and control are essential. We are thrilled to present the Metabo HPT Cordless Plunge Router, the first cordless plunge router of its kind created for optimal performance and convenience. Routing up to 46 feet per minute, this powerful tool easily plunges into even the hardest woods with its robust 36-volt motor. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight at just 6.9 pounds, reducing user fatigue and making transport effortless. Safety is a priority with a quick braking system that stops the bit instantly, saving time and preventing accidents. An integrated bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces, ensuring precision in any lighting condition. For professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors, precision sanding in tight corners and intricate details is a frequent challenge. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander, designed for professionals who need precision and speed in tight spaces. Powered by the advanced Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, it stands up to twice as fast as traditional methods while protecting battery life. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, its lightweight and ergonomic design reduces fatigue and offers excellent control. The 1.5mm orbital motion and uniquely shaped pad deliver clean, stain-grade finishes even in hard-to-reach corners. With 4 variable speed settings, a lock-on trigger, and an integrated LED light, this sander adapts to various materials and lighting conditions. Optional accessories like the sponge pad contour to complex surfaces, while the pad saver extends backing pad life. Upgrade your detail sanding with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander, power, precision, and comfort combined. When working on construction sites, workshops, or home projects, keeping your workspace clean and free of dust, debris, and loose materials is essential for safety and efficiency. The Bosch GBL Professional Cordless Blower delivers powerful cleaning with an airspeed of up to 270 kilometers per hour, making quick work of debris on work surfaces and clearing drill holes with ease. Its compact, balanced design ensures comfortable handling and precise control during use. Compatible with all Bosch Professional 18-volt batteries and chargers, it offers excellent flexibility on the job. 2 selectable speed settings allow you to adjust power and runtime as needed. Part of Bosch's professional 18-volt system, this blower benefits from advanced battery technology with superior heat management, longer runtime, and fast charging. Designed for durability and efficiency, the GBL blower is the perfect companion for professionals who demand power and portability in one compact tool. In today's fast-paced work environment, professionals need tools that are powerful yet easy to handle for extended periods. Meet the RIDGID 18V SubCompact Brushless lineup, delivering heavyweight performance in a lightweight design. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, these tools provide more power, longer runtime, and increased durability. With up to 30% lighter weight and up to 35% more compact size, the impact driver, half-inch drill driver, 3-inch multi-material saw, and 3/8-inch impact wrench are built to fit into tight spaces and reduce user fatigue. Plus, all RIDGID 18-volt subcompact tools are fully compatible with RIDGID's entire 18-volt battery system, giving you unmatched flexibility and power on every job.